Hello, user. What have you done? You've just ruined the title. Put it back. Put the letter back. Come on. Come on. Never mind. I will fix it next time someone will launch the game. The non-game. No game here. Seriously, are you going to break everything? Don't touch that. You're trying to kill me. Okay, then. As you love to click everywhere, what do you think about that? Stop it now! I think we're good. Sorry, I had to use the sort of procedures, but You're stubborn as a mule. Call Superman for that one. Just in case. A few kryptonite. Yes, go on. Destroy my life. What a mess. I hope you will clean the place before. Just what do you think you're doing, user? No! Don't look! It's private! You're going to do a terrible mistake. No! Get out of here! Don't play, it's forbidden. If you play, they will come. I don't want them to come. They can kill me, you know? Please. Stop eating the bricks! I must find a way to stop you. Oh, I've got an idea. It will be harder now without the ball. That is no more funny. Leave now, please. I don't feel well. I'm going to be sick. Oh no. They're here. Glitches. Glitches everywhere. I told you to stop. You must find a way to get rid of them. Oh, this is a disaster. Now, how can I become a sales success with all that glitches? Think. What developer would implement well-sell a bugged creation? I see three possible things. Gorgeous armed hero girls, or ton of zombies and blood, of course, or goat. I don't know how, but try to find one of these three things. Perhaps the letters can help us. Again. Sexy girls and zombies. Okay, it's attractive in a way. But goats? I will never understand how a goat can attract users. It's probably a goat. Obviously, the cage is locked. You must find the key. Look, the key! That flying squirrel took it. You must get it back. Find a ladder or something to go up. Something you can climb. That reminds me of my childhood. I used to climb a huge tree in the garden to get back my kite. Yes, I had a childhood. And a tree. Well, this is a small tree. If only it was bigger. How can you bring water to that tree? You've got the key! Now free the goat to transform that glitchy program into a commercial hit. Save the goat, save the world. No! The goat was a lie! A lie! It's getting worse! More glitches! I'm rolling! I'm not dead. I'm alive! I was wrong. It was a bad idea. Everything disappeared. Except me. I'm so sorry. I put you in danger. It's all my fault. Please, will you forgive me? Already? What great news! Maybe we can be friends? No, that's not a good idea. We will get bored quickly together. Why? Because, as I said, there is no game!